Hi, today I want to talk about our core values. When we talk about our core values, we had a lot of researches and we were thinking through a lot. What should be our core values? Why we exist? So one of the main thing that come upon our mind and we want to live for it is was happiness. Even the difficult task, if you do with full happiness, you will enjoy it, irrespective of the result. Whether you succeed or fail, you will still enjoy it. If you fail, you will learn. If you succeed, then also you will learn. So, how you do it is more important, and doing it with happiness will take you a long way. So that's one of the important core values that we choose: happiness. So we want to be happy and we want to be with people who are happy around us, and also we want to make people happy around us. So we keep our employees happy and our employees keep our customers happy. So it's a complete cycle which will help in making our customers more happy and doing whatever may be. We may succeed in our project or may not, but still we'll be happy doing that. So that's one of the important core value that we have fixed, that we have made for us. The second important core value, though I'm not prioritizing or ranking any core values here, but just in a sequence I want to talk about. The second core value which I want to talk about is the trust. So if you see, the motivation always comes with the trust. If you lose the trust, maybe your customer or maybe your employee or even in personal life, if you lose trust, then it is very difficult to gain, as well as it will be a very difficult journey whatever you may do together. So trusting each other is very important. Trusting our customer, trusting our employee. So whatever, first we test our engagement thoroughly, whether we want to qualify or whether we are qualified or whether we are able to do it or not. But once we believe that yes, we can do it, then that's the starting point. We trust and we trust ourselves. Also, we trust our employees, also our customers, so that we are all in a safe and same journey. So we build trust, and trust is not going to come overnight. It has to be built in a longer term and in both success and failures. So in success, how calm we are, that improves your trust. In failures, how you handle the failures and come out of it, make you trust and will help you in building more trust. The third important core value that we are talking about, we are emphasizing, we are living, is excellence. So whatever we want to do it with all excellence. So we trust, we are happy, we give our fullest, and we excel whatever we do, whatever we want to do. So that's our third. And finally, all this is going to build the customer value proposition, and also it is going to build the customer relationship. So as I said, happiness. So if we want to keep our customer happy, we have to understand better. We have to understand their pain points. So in a normal business or normal life through, we have seen the scope comes in between the customer happiness, customer satisfaction, or what customer wants and what they pay for. So here is what actually we make a difference. We want to make a difference for the customer by understanding them thoroughly and understanding our solutions, our value propositions, and going above and beyond and looking at their customers. So like we not only listen to our customer, we also tell our customer what would make their customers happy, what is the expertise that we bring in to make their business more successful. So that way win their confidence, we get moving along with them, and they feel more confident in terms of engaging us at a various levels, not only just as a solution provider, but also like in terms of a leadership partnership, or in terms of holding our hands in for their business success. So that builds a lot, and that gets us to a long way. So all these core values are focused on a long term, not on a short term visions. So the customers which are engaging even for a short while, like we want to work with them for a longer period, and same way for our employees. Even though they might move out of our company, but still we want to be engaged with them. We want to uh, want to be a friend. So whatever their life cycles, whatever their career growth, career progression, we are happy with them. It's not like you are not working with us, you are not with us. It's a relationship that has been built over a period of time. So we want to continue. We will continue the relationship. And thank you.